New York Times best-selling series, Attack of the 50-Foot Fly Guy by Ted Arnold. A boy had a pet fly. He named him Fly Guy. Fly Guy could say the boy's name, Buzz. Chapter 1. Once, when Fly Guy woke up, Buzz was already at school. Mom and Dad were at work, so Fly Guy went out for breakfast. He nibbled, he snacked, he gobbled. Fly Guy was still hungry. He smelled something interesting. He followed his nose. Fly Guy found a strange can of garbage. It tasted weird. Fly Guy felt sick. He flew back home and fell asleep on Buzz's bed. Chapter 2. Later, Buzz came home from school. His bed was between two trees. "Where's my house?" asked Buzz. Buzz looked up. Fly Guy looked down. "Buzz!" Fly Guy cried, "Buzz, my house is on your head." "Yes." "I have the best idea," said Buzz. "Put my house down and give me a ride." "Yes." "If you're hungry," said Buzz, "we can go back to the house and eat." Eats. Eats. Chapter 3. "This is not good, Fly Guy," said Buzz. "Let's figure it out. What did you do today that made you so big?" "Eats." "So you went out to eat?" asked Buzz. "Yes." Buzz looked down below. The garbage truck and a police car were following them. "Maybe it was something you ate," said Buzz. "Take me where you went to eat." Fly Guy took Buzz to where he nibbled, and where he snacked, and where he gobbled. The garbage truck and more police cars were coming. "Any other place?" asked Buzz. "Yes." Fly Guy flew to the strange garbage can. Just then, a scientist was taking out some garbage. "Oh my," said the scientist. Buzz yelled, "Can you fix Fly Guy?" "No problem," said the scientist. "Come down here and stick out your tongue. This might taste a little weird." Suddenly, the garbage truck and the police cars came around the corner, followed by a helicopter, army tanks, and jets. The army general shouted, "Where's the 50-foot monster?" "No monster here," said Buzz. "Just my little pet fly." The army general said, "Well, we won't hurt a fly." Then everyone went home. "That was fun, Fly Guy," said Buzz. "What do you want to do now?" "Eats."